Hello, people. It's your girl Chinaya once again, and today we'll be singing Igbo lullabies. Songs that you will sing to suit your baby when the baby is crying or when the baby is cranky. So let's sing songs like the first one is Onye tiri nwa n'ebe akwa, egbe tiri nwa n'ebe akwa. Wetuziza wetose, wete mangala n'elu ofe, ụmụ nnụnụ lachaa ya, okpo otutu ekpogbe ha, nwando, 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 onye tiri nwa n'ebe akwa, egbe tiri nwa n'ebe akwa, wetuziza wetose, wete mangala n'elu ofe, ụmụ nnụnụ lachaa ya, okpo otutu ekpogbe ha, nwando, 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 nwando. I hope you love the song. So it simply means, who beats the crying baby? Who beats the crying baby? Bring uziza leaf. It's called African pepper or something. Bring uziza leaf. Bring pepper. Then bring mangala. Mangala is a type of fish that we used to cook in Igbo land. Bring mangala. Then make a soup. A very spicy soup. So that those Ebe is birds that made the baby to cry. She would take that soup and hiccup will be doing them. You know, when you take something that is very spicy and you're hiccuping, something like that, as in to pepper them for making the baby to cry. At the end of the day, the singer of the song will now be telling the baby sorry. That's at least he has peppered the people that made the baby to cry. So it's Ebe. Ebe is a type of bird that made the baby to cry. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this song, this lullaby. We're going to sing the next one again.